In this video, we're going to show you how to create Klaviyo segment coupons in WooCommerce using dynamic coupons for Klaviyo plugin from wp-gets. Let's say you have a list or a segment in Klaviyo with your VIP customers and you want to apply a permanent discount to this segment so they get a discount every time they purchase something. The first step would be to go to WooCommerce Coupons and create a coupon you'd like to apply. I'm going to create a new coupon and name it VIP 10. It's going to be a percentage discount for 10%. All right, I have my coupon ready. The next step is to associate this coupon with your segment. Go to the plugin settings page, select segment coupons and add segment coupon. Enter your segment ID here and the coupon code you just created. You can find your segment ID by going to Klaviyo and selecting your segment URL list, and then going to the settings page. The list ID should be under list ID section. Copy it, and then paste it back into the plugin. And enter your coupon code here. Click Save. And that should be it. Now when I go to the website as a VIP customer, and when I view my cart or checkout, I should see this coupon applied. So let me refresh the page and go to see my cart. As you can see, the coupon is already applied. And if I go to checkout, I can see that it's a VIP 10 coupon. The customer doesn't have to do anything. The coupon is automatically applied just because they're a part of this Klaviyo segment. One final tip. If you want to hide your segment coupons from your customers, make sure to go to Hidden Coupons and enable Hide Segment Coupons. Once you hit Save, your customers will no longer see the coupon itself. I'm going to refresh this checkout page and you will now see that this coupon code will be hidden. There we go. We only see discount applied after turning on this feature. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video and feel free to reach out to our support team if you have any questions. Thank you.